What up, y'all?
What's up?
Welcome to another episode of the Kevin Joe Show. This is not your ordinary, everyday fucking episode.
Dun dun.
Do you know why?
Why?
Because it's fucking Halloween! Happy fucking holidays.
Happy
Best
Halloween.
goddamn day of the fucking year.
Hell yeah.
God, I love Halloween.
Yeah.
So you know what we're gonna do? We are gonna fucking celebrate Halloween by carving these pumpkins. The old school Halloween fucking tradition that I hope all of y'all look forward to as much as we do every single fucking year.
Yes.
I cannot wait to get my fucking knife and start stabbing the shit out of this thing and then carving something cool for y'all.
Yes.
So enjoy the episode and we'll talk to y'all in a little bit.
We'll be back. And we're back! We finished carving these out so that I got all the guts and shit out, and I think we're good to go to start carving some stuff.
Man, I gotta move my hair.
Whoa, Kev! I didn't even recognize you, bro!
Right? Like, I don't know what the fuck. I grew hair.
Amazing.
It's mind-blowing. For all y'all that always want to see me with long hair, well, here you go.
Damn.
You know, because it's here to stay. You know what I mean?
Very nice. So, we got some booklets. I don't know, you said you might freehand it?
Yeah, I'm gonna do like a little generic triangle, eye, nose, and crazy mouth kind of thing going on.
Yeah, I just cat.
Boo!
Some of these just seem like they're or above my level. So I try to do the ghost.
Boo!
Probably. I'm just fucking it up.
Look at my hair. So weird having hair again. You know, I haven't had hair in 20 years. And now I do. Who the fuck? It's weird-ass Halloween magic people! Somebody must have fucking wished that I had hair. Well, now I do.
Now you do.
Now I do.
Alright, I'm gonna go get some tape. This is what we're going for.
And I'm just gonna start stabbing the shit out of this and hope that it goes somewhere, you know what I mean?
Alright. Alright, so let me get one of these little things over here.
Alright, Joe.
Alright, let's begin.
Start cutting some shit. No, I'm kidding. I'm not.
An eye. There it is, ladies and gentlemen.
Whoa!
Whoa! What happened to my hair? Whoever fucking apparently wished the Halloween magic on me that I had hair, but apparently now you want me to have short blonde hair.
For a little while.
Fuck it, YOLO.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah. Changed again.
What? What the fuck is... You know...
Love
Man,
it.
you know, I'm almost kind of getting used to this actually by now because, you know, I've been bald for so long that, you know, I kind of dig the whole hair look.
Yeah, it feels good.
Yeah, man. I mean, look at this, man.
Change is good.
Oh, yeah. I'm kind of digging it, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I like the little curl coming down.
Right.
Kev, what are you doing?
Dude, fucking change, you know, I really can't handle all these fucking, like, hair
I love
changes. Like, I don't, like, how is this happening without me even realizing it? My God!
Incredible.
Fucking Halloween, yo. Magical day.
It is a mad day.
Hope you're enjoying yours. Wish you're fucking enjoying ours. Carving these fucking pumpkins.
Almost done.
Oh, yeah.
Well, there you have it. Our end results. Yours looks a lot better than mine.
Man, I think
Kev,
yours is actually...
What happened?
God damn it. Fucking Kenny Omega Jerry curl going on now. You know, once again, whoever wished that I had hair this Halloween, thanks a lot. But could you just keep it one freaking style? My
Love
God.
it. Love it.
I mean, I kind of dig this, you know?
Yeah. Well, let us know what your favorite hairdo was in the comments. Show us pictures of your pumpkins that you carved and stuff. And I don't know. From us to you, we hope you have a good Halloween.
Have a fantastic fucking Halloween, y'all. You go out tonight, please be safe. If you're drinking, designated driver, people. people. All right, no fucking DUIs, because I'm not coming to bail you out of fucking jail.
Me neither.
All right, Joe. So until next time, happy Halloween from us to you. You guys keep it 555.
We'll keep it 666. See you later.